Okay, this is a demo on how to set up Big Blue Button for the professor. I'm going to start by going to my Canvas. And we have a class here that is Panopto testing. So I'm going to log into Panopto testing. And Big Blue Button can be found in Conferences. So you'll go to Conferences. There is a Panopto testing conference in progress, but I'm actually going to create a new one. So right up here is how you create a new conference. And then it gives you this window with some options. Okay? Duration, 60 minutes. However long your class is how you want to set it. So I'll just set it to 120. It's a 2-hour class, okay? You can change the name if you feel like it. And also you can, down here at the bottom, which is fairly important, invite all course members, or you can just invite certain ones. We only have Ed Tippin as our student currently, but in Canvas or in Big Blue Button, you should have the list of all your students, so you can choose who you would like to if there's other students that would like to log into Big Blue Button. I'll select Invite All Course Members, and I'm going to update. Okay, so now right here is how you're going to start your conference. Select Start, and now Big Blue Button is going to load. All right, so seeing that we are the professor, we are going to want to use the microphone. So we're going to select Microphone, Allow, and Next. Yes?
You are currently the only person in this conference.
And we are currently the only person in the conference. You see this little microphone here. We also are going to want to share our screen. So right here, we're going to select Start, and usually it asks to run some Java. We're going to open, starts running Java, run, and when we see this blue border, that means that we are currently sharing our screen. So any student that's logged in can now hear us and also see what we have displayed on our computer monitor. You can pause, you can stop sharing. If you choose to use the document camera or any other cameras, there's a webcam option right here. Also here, share your webcam. So drop down, we have a Huddle Cam HD, but there's also like the document camera. It's currently off for this demo, but we'll just use the Huddle Cam, and you can see the Huddle Cam, which is the camera that we have on the ceiling in the room, is actually projecting on the wall. I'm going to cancel, and that is the demo on how to start or how to use Big Blue Button